Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Okay, hello, my beautiful sunflowers. I'm not much of a singer, but it was my birthday last month, and I did create this really awesome DIY flower project for y'all. And I wanted to just walk through and show y'all how I did it. So, if you want to see how I created this amazing DIY and how easy I made it look, because it was really, really, really easy, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, my honey bunnies, we are gonna draw out that number 2, taking a Sharpie and a piece of cardboard. Funny enough, the cardboard that I'm using today is from those giant coloring books. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about? I'll just see if I can find a picture and insert it in a clip for y'all, but that's the cardboard that I use for this project. I love how it turned out. You probably would never know, but you can use any kind of cardboard. Next time I make one, I'll probably go to Walmart and buy cardboard. Am I the only one who didn't know Walmart sold cardboard? Because I was shook the other day when I went in there and seen it. Shook. Okay, y'all, it is totally okay if you kind of mess up on your numbers a little bit. I kind of fudged up mine. Kind of see that on the corner? It's okay. I'm going to clean it up with my scissors later. It's totally fine. Scissors are like craft versions of concealer sometimes. We got it. Okay, y'all, now it is time to gather up your flowers. I'm using these beautiful camel flowers that I found at Walmart. They were like 97 cents, I believe. A bush, a pop, a plastic wop. I don't remember the price, but I know they were like $1. And you're gonna take those flowers now and just see the little plastic end. You're just gonna snip that off with your scissors. I took mine out and I had a lot of flowers, so I was here for some time to just put it into time perspective. But yeah, you're gonna take that, you're gonna snip off those plastic ends and just line them up and keep on going until that number is now all filled. I do this so that I can get a perspective of how many I'll need, and that way I wouldn't like overdo it, which I still wind up doing anyway because it's so easy to just snip. And it's best to just have plenty so that you can make the number really, really full, like so. Let me show you in a second. And now, once that is finished, I laid all of the flowers out on there and in my arrangement that I wanted them. I wanted it to be more of a camel green with some of the pink flowers kind of peeking out, and so that's how I designed it and laid it out on the flower. And now it's time to really cut the 2 out. I know I said I cut it out before, but it's best if you guys lay out your arrangement first, then knock them off and cut it off. And voila, we are halfway finished. By now your 2 or your other number should be cut out, and now it's time to load up that glue gun, baby. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get it. It is time to take all of those flowers and glue them down, y'all. Get those hot get those hot glue guns ready because it's time to lay those flowers down. Fill up every inch of that cardboard. Make sure it's nice and full. Make sure you be mindful of your fingers. That glue is very hot. I cannot stress that enough, and I just want y'all to be safe when you're pressing the flowers down and don't burn yourself like I did.
On my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check.
Okay, y'all, look at the finished product. It looks so amazing. I was so surprised that it came out this. It looks freaking good. Like, I couldn't even believe that I made it. It was so sturdy and so full once I added the flowers and the glue, and it just all came together perfectly. I am in love with this. Little sneak peek of that finish too. I didn't get all of the footage for making my number one, but it's okay. It's the same process as making a number two. Literally just the same process. You want to draw it out and everything, and then just go from there. Because once you do that, then we can finally have our matching set, and it will look amazing. Something like this. Oh yeah, that is it. I cannot believe how good this looks, y'all. I just was spazzing out. Like, I posted on my Instagram. I was so proud. I am still so proud. I have it hanging up in my bedroom. It looks amazing. I cannot believe it. Like, awesome. And yes, my little sunflowers, this is the completed DIY project. This is my first DIY project on my channel. I think I killed it for my first video. There will be more in the future, and I hope you want to see them in the future. So like, comment, subscribe. There we go, that's the word. And come back for more love. Goodbye.